A for apple, A for ant, a. B for bat, B for bull, b. C for cat and C for cub, k. D for dog, D for dots, d. E for egg and E for elephant, e.